What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping. Back with another video, but before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe one time. Y'all know what it is, man. Share, all that good stuff. But with that being said, we got a package in the mail today. We got it in yesterday, but we're gonna unbox this right now. It's the Black Obsidian from Suprent Pro. Let's get it. All right, so check it out. This is the box that it comes in.
I think Danny cut your hair, huh?
The Suprent Pro
second chair?
Black Obsidian. Right. Let's go ahead and open this up. Y'all gonna have to excuse the lighting. We're having some technical difficulties. But anyways, check it out. Here's the box. Check that out. So we do got a clipper and trimmer. Kind of looks like the Low Pro. I don't know if y'all can see it, but kind of looks like the Low Pro, at least to me it does. Check that out right there. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here's what comes in the box, as y'all can see. So we do get the trimmer right here. We also get the clipper. We get 2 charging stands, as you can see. One's for the clipper, and then one's gonna be for the trimmer. Let's go ahead and see what comes under this. Check that out. All right, so let's open up this box right here. All right, check it out. So we do get some guards in here, as y'all can see. Kind of looks like the wall premium guards. And then we even get some guards for the trimmers. That, let's be honest, I don't think anyone ever uses the guards for the trimmers. We get a little Suprent Pro screwdriver, some oil, one of these little brushes that don't nobody ever use. You get like a little card. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, we got that. And then we got the user manual that we ain't even gonna look at. And then we get 2 USB charging cords. All right, let's go ahead and check out the trimmer first. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out of its packaging. Take the blade cover off. So we got the Suprent Pro Black Obsidian trimmer, as y'all can see here. Oh, she's quiet too. Nice quiet trimmer. As you can see down here, it says how much power we got left. 100% powered up, ready to go. Let's check out this blade. Blade can probably be gapped a little more. I don't know if y'all can see it on here, but once again, I feel that it looks kind of like the Low Pros. So here's the authentic version of the Low Pros, and then the Suprent Pro Obsidians. As you can see, it looks very similar. Let's go ahead and put this down. We do get the charging port down here, on and off switch on the side. Once again, super quiet trimmer. We're gonna put that to use later on. And then we also get the Suprent Pro Obsidian clipper, which looks like the low pro clipper. We got a fade blade on there, as y'all can see. Click lever. Clicks feel kind of stiff, but we do got a click lever on there. We got a little thumb indentation right here. On and off switch on the side. Super quiet motor on the clipper also. Got the LED display right here, 100% power, and then we got the charging port down here. So check it out once again. We got the clipper and the trimmer. Suprent Pro Black Obsidians. Super quiet tools. We're gonna put these things to use. And yeah, I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. Let's go. Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was using the new black Obsidians from Suprent. Now as y'all can see, I still got one fully wrapped up. So we're actually gonna be doing a giveaway on this video. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to say it earlier in the video. I wanted to wait till I got to this point in the video to let y'all know that I'm doing a giveaway. So if you want to win this clipper and trimmer combo, before I actually give a quick review real quick, I need you to drop down in the comments why you think you should win. Like this video and make sure you're subscribed. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do. Like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and comment down in the comments why you think you should win the new black Obsidians from Suprent. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and move this to the side. Let's talk about the clipper and the trimmer. So off the jump, man, when I was using the clipper and the trimmer, I really thought that they felt like I was getting low pro vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like the original low pros that came out about 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, that was really giving me low pro vibes. I liked that they had the LED screen with the time on it, you know, how much charge we had on it. I thought that was pretty dope that they did that for the clipper and the trimmer, because a lot of times you only see it on the trimmer or the clipper, but I really like that they had it on both tools. Now, your boy has been used to using stretch levers on most of my clippers. You know, the levers that extend a little more than a half, you know what I'm saying? They almost extend to a 1. So using this clipper was a little different for me. Now, it wasn't a big issue. I kind of adjusted fairly quickly, did some haircuts with it. And as y'all seen, your boy was getting down. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, any clipper you give your boy, I can put out some good products with, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, I will say that they're pretty solid tools. You know, I don't want to say that they're not good tools because, like I said, as y'all seen in the video, they got the job done. They debulked, they blended, they detailed, the trimmers lined up, they bought it out. I really didn't have any issues with either tool. Now, when it came to using just the clipper, like I said, it was giving me low pro vibes. Me personally, I would have liked if the lever stretched a little more, but it didn't. But it wasn't a big deal. Like I said, I adjusted pretty quickly. The ergonomics of the clipper was on point. I felt that they felt really comfortable in the hand. And overall, I really just liked using this clipper when it came to me doing any of my fade work or anything I was doing in the barbershop. Now, I didn't say this earlier in the video, but it does come with a 3-hour charge time and a 3-hour runtime. So you do have to charge it for 3 hours and you get 3 hours of runtime. Now, fresh out the box, they were fully charged, so I didn't have to worry about charging them. So I got a good amount of work out of these clippers, you know what I'm saying? And you may want to adjust the blade if, you know, that's all on you. That's based on preference. You know, if you feel you need to adjust the blade a little more, that's on you. Me personally, I used them out the box. And like I said, man, I think they were doing good. Now, when it came to the trimmer, I wish the trimmer would have been gapped a little closer, just a little bit closer. But as far as balding and lining up, they worked well. When it came to balding out, they didn't clog up, they weren't dragging, they weren't pulling any hair. None of those issues arise while I was using this trimmer. And I have to say, once again, guys, I was really impressed with using this trimmer also. And when it came to lining up, how can I explain it? It wasn't the best trimmer for lining up, but it was nowhere near the worst. You know what I'm saying? Like it really lined up good, like Edgar style haircut. So when they have that longer hair, one tap and it was taking off that hair. But I was noticing when I was getting close to the vertical bar and C-cups that it left a little bit of hair, but it wasn't a big issue. Just go over it a couple of times and that issue, you know, that really isn't an issue anymore. Just go over it a couple of times and boom, that hair is gone. And me personally, when I'm lining up, I do tend to go over the same spot a good amount of times before I move on. So like I said, it wasn't a big issue, but it did happen while I was lining up with those trimmers. And then once again, guys, I really would have liked for those trimmers to be slightly more zero gap, just a little bit. No, not too much. I feel if they were gapped a little closer, but once again, that's something I can do. Like I can do that out the box. I can move that blade up, and I probably could have had my lines a little sharper, but out the box, they're a decent tool. But all in all, guys, the clipper and the trimmer combo, they're a good buy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure what the price is, but I will find out the price for y'all, and I will put it somewhere on the screen for y'all. And I know you can get this on the Suprent website. Once again, not 100% sure of the Suprent website, but I will make sure to put that on the screen along with the price. That way, if you are interested in the black Obsidians from Suprent, you can buy them off their website and give them a try. But once again, guys, all in all, it was a good combo clipper and trimmer set. I have really no major issues. Ergonomics are good on both the clipper and trimmer, and they both work efficiently and they work well. You know, like I said, really no major issue. And that's the thing about these tools that have been coming out. I've been saying this for the past 2 years or so. A lot of these new tools that are coming out, they're going to be some good tools. You know what I'm saying? It's just based on how you cut and how you adjust the blade and whatnot. But if you get these tools and you learn how to use them, any of these newer tools that you get, they can put out great quality cuts. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you want to win this new black Obsidian from Suprent, all you got to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and comment down below why you think you should win the black Obsidians from Suprent. That's all you got to do, guys. But with that being said, man, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'm out of here. Let's go.